going on, guys? Today's video is dedicated to Z Performance Complete Automotive and Muffler in Corona, California. They're my new sponsor, and today we're going to be setting my car up with some electronic cutouts. My new setup will not only help my car sound much better and make more power, it'll also keep me from breaking my flex pipes all the time, and it'll also be California street legal. We're on the rack now. It's time to start working on this thing. So here at Z Performance, they like to take care of your car, so there's a surge protector here to keep the electronics from acting up. So after being introduced by Michael Ruiz, my mentor at Cal State Fullerton for my business school, I'm now here at his father's shop, Z Performance Complete Automotive in Corona, and he's gonna show you what kind of parts we're gonna throw on my 370Z today.
Hello, I'm Javier. I'm Michael Ruiz's dad. So I'm very happy to sponsor Randy Famoso on his 370Z. So for sponsoring, we're gonna throw some of the electronic cutouts made by QTP, which is an excellent brand. So we're gonna put these two, one on each side on the exhaust. It's gonna be electronic cutouts with a spot, and also we're gonna surprise it so you can do everything by remote control. Open and close it. Open and close the electronic cutouts, so he can raise and also show his exhaust system how it works. We're not gonna remove catalytic converters against the law. So we're gonna do right after the catalytic converters. We'll show you in a little while how we're gonna do it. Thank you.
So these are the top of the line cutouts, and this is an excellent shop, and it's a pleasure to be partnered up with you. And I'm looking forward to this process and what the future holds as well.
Sounds good, sir. Thank you.
Let's get this going.
All right.
The shop doesn't only do custom exhaust, they also do maintenance for all vehicles. They do custom fabrication. They do anything from custom classics, race cars, drift cars, trucks, lifted trucks, police interceptors, RVs, you name it. So this shop holds a lot of inventory of all quality parts. Look at that, all these name brands. Nice tips, everything you may need. Only the best at this shop. Look at these custom builds, what they're capable of doing. You guys can come here to get your oil change, your tune-up, complete engine and transmission service, AC, brakes, performance test, suspension. All right, so Javier is gonna let us know what they're doing to help you protect your cat here at Z Performance. Javier, so you and Michael came up with this idea, right?
Actually, Michael, my crew and myself, after looking at, since the beginning of the pandemic, people started stealing catalytic converters. Very likely, you know about it. So we started working on ideas, and we designed this cable system to protect what we call the caging, to protect the catalytic converter. So what we do is we put on several cables of this through the exhaust system and also to the catalytic converter, all the way to the engine compartment. And so far we have installed more than 500 units, and no one has come back with installing catalytic converters. We also have this with the exhaust system. We have this alarm system, because just in case if they're trying to steal it, this will trigger an alarm system that will beep for 90 minutes up to 2 hours. So far, if you have any vehicles that are high up, like Toyota Tundras, even motorhomes, even brand new cars that are getting stolen catalytic converters, you can definitely come to Z Performance, give us a call, and we'll give you a good deal.
Very grateful to be working with this company. Thank you, Michael, for connecting me. Thank you very much, Javier, for giving me the opportunity. I won't let you guys down. So we're under my car now, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna work after these cats right here so that it's still California legal and it doesn't have problems with emissions. We're gonna make this custom Y pipe here that can fit the wider pipe that's required for the cutouts. And these destroyed flex pipes that we have here are gonna get relocated so that we no longer have exhaust leaks. Creating the wider Y pipe will not only allow us to mount the cutouts, but it'll also create more power, both with the closed setting as well as the open setting. The Y pipe has been cut out. Now we're gonna create a custom Y pipe that'll create significant performance gains and will give us the opportunity to do the rest of this install. Some of that fab's getting done right now.
We're gonna start building the white pipe. I'm gonna utilize this pre-made white pipe, which is a very nice transition, very low back pressure. So we're gonna cut this section so we can get as much, because we gotta put the electronic cutouts and we need as much space that we can. And these are the new flex pipes that we're gonna install. If you look at the old ones, you see how damaged they are. So they're gonna be replaced by this.
All right, it's looking good.
My guy already pre-cut this right here. So as you can see, it's already welded into the back section of the Y pipe. All right, from here we're gonna start building up the pipes. The cutouts are gonna be located on this section right here. So we're gonna see if we're gonna put the flex pipes before the cutout or after the cutout, whichever is gonna be more convenient, so we can get as high as possible and utilize the tunnel for the cutouts.
That's perfect.
As you can see, we utilize the pipe, the exhaust pipe bender, which is made by Blue Bullet, which is a very good brand. Being an exhaust man is a technician. Besides a technician, is an artisan, because it requires an art. We bend the pipes by angles and we check it so everything is nice and symmetric. It just goes this back and forth until we make it perfectly aligned and perfectly symmetric.
So after all of that back and forth bending, expanding, cutting, customizing, designing, it fits perfect in there. Look at that. Already these pipes are so much thicker than the original ones, and as you guys may know, this is a very important piece for your car's exhaust system to get the most out of it. Those cutouts are going in now. We're just getting those fabbed in there. All right guys, check this out. The whole setup is done right here. The flex pipe is in place. The cutouts are in place. The custom Y pipe looks fantastic. And now it's just time to hook up the wiring. Right now they're feeding it over to the driver's side interior. So as you guys can see, the wires have now been tucked inside. So let's climb up the ladder and take a look. So now that they got all these wires through here, I'm gonna let them finish hooking it up. All right, this is all done. Super nice and clean. They started the work from this point of the exhaust, gave me this custom Y pipe, this nice new flex pipe, tucked much higher up, about 2 inches higher than the original placement. My flex pipes are so tucked that you can't even see them from this angle. They paid very much attention to detail everywhere. This got bent to a perfect place. Both of them did. They made it fit perfectly. They angled it just right so that it's comfortable, high performing, loud, everything I need it to be. It's getting dark now, but we're just finishing off the wire tuck and then we can go test this thing out. All right, so it's time for the first test. Let's see if this thing is functioning properly. All right, as you can see, super quiet. No more exhaust leak like you heard in the beginning of the video. Now let's see what this thing can do. You hear that? Just opened up, much louder now. Now let's close it up. Back to complete silence. All right, so here's Javier hopping in the race car. Can you give it gas with stock like this closed? That's how it sounds, quiet. Now let's open this thing up and see what it got. Now that the engine's warmed up a bit and the oil's nice and warm, I'm gonna put it in gear so that, with the clutch in of course, but I'm gonna do that so I can rev it higher so we can get a better exhaust note. Let's do this. You guys ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's quiet, that's stock. Let's open this thing up and let's see what it got. All right, let's do this. Best of both worlds. Thank you, Z Performance. Thank you, Raymond. Thank you, Tocayo. Of course, thank you, Javier.
All right, you're very welcome.
Thank
sir.
you, Michael, for connecting me.
You drive safe and make it happen, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Let's see what we can do. All right, so here we got Raymond, who did my wiring. He's one of the workers out here. I got you. He's one of the workers here, and he did a great job. So now we're gonna go to a...
Raymond.
Yep, that's Raymond.
The man.
Yep. Now we're gonna go do a celebratory donut, and Javier's gonna hold the phone to film. So let's get this going.
Raymond likes donuts and beer.
All right, so we're gonna get the donuts. After this, we just need a beer. Let's open this thing up. Sounds open to me. Time to hand off the phone over to Javier, and we could get this video filmed. Time to go for it. Let's see if it works.
All right, guys. So here comes
Let's do
Randy
this.
Famoso, Raymond Famoso for a spin after finishing the work at Z Performance. I'm moving away to be safe. No sentir, me miro a... Randy is crazy, Michael. Thank you, guys. You're Randy Famoso. Be safe, please. All right.
Of course, thank
and
you
we
very
more
much. Thank you very much for everything.
and we more races, okay, sir?
All right, sounds
Z
good.
Performance. We're right here for you guys.
Thank you very
Z
much.
Performance, Tocayo, my welder, my exhaust guy, Raymond.
Excellent shop, excellent service, excellent hospitality. You guys do have to come here, for sure.
You're very welcome, sir. All right, we'll see you soon.
All right, sounds
Take
good.
care.
Later.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and support my sponsors. I'll see you guys next time.